Hello everyone, I am Hassan Qannoa. My mission is simple to help you speak English naturally and confidently through real life situations. In every episode, you learn the most useful English expression that native speakers actually use in every day. No grammar, no boring books, just English for real life. Don't study English, live English. Let's begin. I'd like to sign up for a gym membership. Is there a free trial available? I'm looking to improve my fitness. I'd like to build some muscle. My goal is to lose some weight. I am just getting back into exercising. I haven't worked out in a long time. I am trying to stay consistent. Could you show me around the gym? Where can I find the locker room? Could you show me how this machine works? Is this machine available? Are you using these dumbbells? Do you mind if I work in with you? How many sets do you have left? I am doing a 3 set of 12 reps. I am focusing on my upper body today. Tomorrow is my leg day. I am working on my back and shoulders today. I'd like to improve my strength. I need to stretch before I start. This workout is much harder than I expect. I'm trying to improve my endurance. I am increasing the weight little by little. I don't want to overtrain. Good form is more important than lifting heavy weight. I need a drink, some water. My muscles are getting tired. I can already feel the difference. That was a great workout. I feel stronger than last month. Recovery is just as important as training. I already stretched after my workout. I'm feeling a little sore today. Exercise helped me reduce stress. Workout has become part of my daily routine. Consistency is the key to success. I definitely come back tomorrow. See you at the gym next time. Okay, now your turn. Answer these questions. Don't think too much. Just speak. Why did you join at the gym? What are your fitness goals? How often do you work out? What's your favorite exercise? Which part of your body are you training today? Now pause the video and answer and speak. Take your time. Just speak. Now it's time to leave language. Imagine you are at the gym for the first time. Let's begin. The receptionist say, "Welcome to the gym." "Hello, welcome to the gym. How can I help you?" Pause and answer. The receptionist asks, "Have you ever been to a gym before?" Pause and answer. The receptionist asks, "Explain your goal." Pause and answer. The trainer say, "Would you like me to show you how machine worked?" Pause and answer. The trainer say, "Which part of your body are you training today?" Pause and answer. How often do you usually work out? Pause and answer. Someone asks, "Are you using these dumbbells?" Pause and answer. A friend asks, "How your workout going on?" Pause and answer. The trainer asks, "Do you need a short break?" Pause and answer. The trainer say, "Great job today." Pause and answer. Your friend asks, "Are you come back tomorrow?" Pause and answer. Before you're leaving, say goodbye. Pause and answer. Now, 1 minute speaking challenge. Without looking at today's expression, speak for 1 full minute about why you joined the gym, your fitness goal, today's workout, how you feel today, what you'll do next. Keep speaking, don't stop. Communication is more important than perfection. Excellent job! Today you didn't just learn, you lived English. Use today's expression in your daily life. Stay consistent, and little by little, you'll start speaking naturally and confidently. Don't study English, live English. See you next episode. I love you so much.